Alright, number 6, or no, sorry, number 5. We're going to evaluate the square root of negative 18. So, negative 18. So I already understand that this negative is going to become an I. So I have I times the square root of 18. And then 18 is not a perfect square, so we're going to reduce the radical. The way you reduce it, square root is looking for what number you multiply times itself twice. So just know, square root of 4 is 2, and that is because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So we're looking for a pair. What number appears twice? They merge and become 1, and that's how we get our answer. So 18, we can break it down into 9 times 2. You want to break it down to prime numbers. Alright, so I'm not dealing with 18 anymore, I'm looking at 9 times 2. Now, 2 is prime, but 9 I can break it down. 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. Okay, so altogether, if I multiply 3 times 3 times 2, I get 18. That's what I started with. I have a pair of 3's, okay, so just kind of like this scenario. I can pull a 3 out. They merge together, kind of like breaking out a jail. You got to have 2. That's what my old teacher used to say. So you got 2 of them, they can break out, and 1 gets out, or they come out as 1. So this radical will reduce or break down to the 3 comes out. We have our imaginary, or I, and then the 2 doesn't get out, so it stays under the square root. So 3i square root of 2. Okay, we're going to do something of similar nature with number 6. We have square root of negative 12. Okay, rewrite this as I square root of 12. I'm going to break 12 down. 6 times 2, and then 6 can be broken down into 3 times 2. And we get a pair of 2's. Now, you might have chosen different numbers. It doesn't matter. You will always get to the same end result. So, for example, what if you looked at the square root of 12 and you wrote it down as 3 times 4? Okay. The 4 will still break down to 2 times 2, and you still get those pair of 2's that come out, and the 3 is still there. So, at the end of the day, we get a 2 comes out, 2i, 2 imaginary, and then the square root of 3. The 3 did not get to come out. 2i square root of 3.